Howdy fellas. Check out this big box. It's the Xiaomi X10 Plus vacuum robot. This robot can vacuum, mop, and relieve itself in its docking station. Inside the docking station we got the two plastic tanks. One for dirty, and the other one for clean water. They are very easy to fill and dispose of. It takes about 4 or 5 hours to fully charge the battery, and it's enough for a couple of full home mop-ups. This robot is equipped with rotating laser sensor, which allows it to accurately measure its surroundings. It will automatically map your house. You can also select a specific area to clean and see the robot's path. In addition, you can choose if you want to mop or to vacuum, or both. You can select mop humidity, and you can also select the vacuum power level. If you set this on strong or turbo, it will make considerable noise. I found the robot very capable. It avoids obstacles without the need to bump into them. It efficiently plans the cleaning path, and it reaches those hard-to-get spots and manages to find its way out. According to the user manual, it is not allowed to add any soap into the water tank, so I spray a little on the floor here and there, just to make it a little nicer. This robot can also detect rugs and lift the mopping pad when needed. It autonomously returns to docking station when it needs to refill the water tank, and it can clean and dry the mopping brushes while charging. When you have this red light flashing, meaning the water level is low. The refill process is simple and convenient. And it is very satisfying to empty the dirty water tank, but the nasty smell of floor juice is not the best. Overall, this robot is great. However, cleaning corners and tight spots is not optimal. Emptying the dust bag is not the best experience, but it's nice to see how much dirt the robot sucked. If you have some free floor and you hate to mop it, this is a great solution. Keep it real, kids.